You've probably ever wondered where to touch your partner during sex, or at least you've been tired of just the same places. Know that some areas, because of the nerve endings, are much more likely to activate blood circulation, consequently, leaving the partner with much more desire. Subscribe to the channel if you like the subject, activate the little bell so you don't miss any video, and leave your like. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn 9 body zones to leave her with much desire. 1. Back of the knees. Sensitive skin is usually synonymous with good surprises, and the back of the knees is sensitive for women and men. 2. Inner thighs. Run your fingertips gently up and down her skin. Scratch it lightly with your fingernails. You can even tickle it with your hair in an implicit suggestion that you can up the ante in the next phase. 3. Lower abdomen. If there's one thing that causes a little chill in the belly, it's this: the palm of your hand pressing the region between your belly button and the lower part of your partner, with or without clothes on, in a gesture so discreet that it can work in public settings without anyone noticing. 4. Bust. An unavoidable classic. If you have doubts about the time to dedicate to them, know that a study concluded that this is the second most common way for a woman to reach her climax. The study states that exciting them triggers the same part of the brain activated when their private parts are stimulated. 5. Back. Who doesn't like a vigorous massage to release all the tension that has built up? The back is an area full of nerve endings, so all you have to do is experiment to test reactions. You can use your fingertips, fingernails, tongue, teeth, ice cubes, a feather, or whatever your imagination tells you at the time. 6. Neck. The neck is an ultrasensitive erogenous zone. Starting right at the back of the ear, called the hot line by some. 98% of women fantasize about kissing and caressing the neck during a relationship. Before you go to the next one, leave a like. And then, did you? Then let's move on. 7. Earlobes. They are especially sensitive to touch with hands, tongue, lips, and even teeth. But beware, nibbling on the other's ear almost always increases enthusiasm. Biting like you want to bite a chunk out of it will, on the contrary, cause the mood to decline quickly. 8. Lips. These are the most intimate parts of the body for both men and women, which is why we don't go around kissing everyone on the mouth. That said, achieving maximum pleasure depends on the right stimulation. Understand how the other person likes to be kissed before you start doing delirious things. 9. Brain. Experts say that this is our most intimate area because this is where all intimate feelings begin. Translation: arousal and pleasure depend a lot on the situation in which the caress happens and on our brain's interpretation of the moment. Each person will know better than anyone else what excites them, but it can start with a bolder conversation. Or a suggestive movie watched as a couple. 10. Bonus. This last bonus is not exactly a body zone, but the best way to please you and your partner to the extreme. People like you, who are in need to spice up the relationship or even feel desire again, to be able to enjoy the sensation of a piece of paradise available on earth with every intimate relationship, people who have used it and changed their lives for the better. We are talking about a completely innovative method, and that the results appear in up to 2 weeks, also guaranteeing a few inches for your parts down there. Click now on the fixed comment link to learn more. We have come to the end of another video. We hope that this video was useful for you. If you've made it this far, comment bonus in the comments so we know, subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and see you in the next video.